asuntoskeittiö Kirkkonummen Kuninkaantori.
Today is the 23rd of June 2022 and we have what was the address again?
Pitäjäntuvanpolku 3-5.
Yeah, Pitäjäntuvanpolku. It's probably Bytorpsgården. No, Byportsgränden.
Yeah.
It's idle. Look at that. 3 to 5 staircase. See, this the last staircase to be filmed in this building. It's in Kirkkonummi kyrkslätt. It's Varsa region also on the outlet. It's open from here,
Yeah.
but it's locked up there. It was built late 1998, finished 1999, turning 25 years old in the next year, 2023, when it's going to be in again. This number is 69490. It's 5 floors. This is the best one here.
Yeah.
It also deserves 2 rides.
Yeah.
And I'll check the door to the bunker if there's a year on it. 1 moment. Yes. It also says 1998.
Yeah.
It might have been finished in 1999.
Yeah.
We'll check the information later. This is very nice.
Yeah.
And 2 rides.
Yeah.
I love this style.
No, same. Is built by Sapient, maintained by Espanhissi.
Luckily, it hasn't been destroyed by sharks.
Yeah.
Well, they had put those numbers afterwards, maybe in the late 2000s.
Yeah.
And in all the 3 staircases they did it. Just because they thought they were not so visible.
Yeah.
That's it, thank you very much for watching. And also the only drawback was that it's the capacity is only finished.
That's